name's Leah. My name's Katie, and we are going to show you how to do a waterfall. Right, so obviously you'll need a brush and a few baubles and that and some hairbands. But I'm not really sure if you do need the hairbands. So you'll brush the hair. Right, and then after that you'll pick 3 bits for a plate like that. Enough for 3 bits. Take the rest and just like twist the rest, and then keep on twisting it, and like get a clip or something and just put it to the top. So with your 3 bits you'll brush it, and you'll just like, it's like you're making a plate really. So you'll take this bit up, but you want it to really be like sideways, so you'll get one bit and then get the other bit. And you're going to do it like a plate. Ooh. So you'll grab it. You'll do 2 or 3 mini like loops. So I'm going to do 1 really. Wait, 2. So after you've done 2, you'll take this down, and could you hold that one out, Katie? Just do. And there's your little waterfall thing, and you brush the rest of the hair. Take like a big bit, get the bit, and do the exact same. Twist it, and just take it up. Well, you wouldn't really twist it, but I'm twisting it because Katie's hair is very thick, isn't it, Katie?
Yeah.
So, I'll take that back. So, there's that waterfall. Okay? So, you're going to get just another bit, not another 3, but another bit. Like, I'll show you, like that. You're going to do the exact same and then let it drop. So there's my waterfall, and you're going to get the other bit and keep on doing that, and you're going to get the last bit and do it. Put it down. So that is my waterfall. You're going to take that hair down, just leave that here. Going to bring it over to the other end and like just get a mini clip and clip it. Get a little clip like that, what I'm using, and as long as it can clip, any choice, and clip it down so it will look like other way. So it'll look like other way. So it'll look like that. So this is your waterfalls, and you're just going to like brush it. Ooh, brush them, but don't brush them too hard or the waterfall will fall. And just pin it down. So the way you will get that, the end of it, to stop doing that, like it like that is if you just get a pinch of water with your 2 fingers, put it down to make it like smooth, and then take a bit of your hair like that, put it over it, and once you've done that, put it round the hair and put it down. And that is how you do a waterfall. Like,